Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Envoy. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. With its powerful V8 engine, seating for up to 8, and plenty of cargo space, the Envoy is a just right compromise of space and maneuverability. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.